Hello everyone, this is Akriti here. Today I am going to draw clownfish. Let's start. Let's draw and color together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J,
Please try to draw with
L,
me.
M, N, O, P,
Look, its tail is moving.
Q, U, V,
Clownfish is very colorful fish.
Y, and Z.
Wakey wakey.
I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now let's take it a little faster. Are you ready? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Look, she looks so cute.
J, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
Let's fill it with color. Green,
I
pink,
like to swim, yes, I like to swim. On a hot summer day, it's a dream. But if I could choose, yes, if I could choose, I would swim in a bowl of chocolate ice cream. Ice, 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 ice cream, cream, cream. I would swim in a bowl of chocolate ice cream. Ice, ice,
orange,
ice cream, cream, cream. I would swim in a bowl of chocolate ice cream. I like to run, yes, I like to run in the park or my yard where the grass grows. But if I could choose, yes, if I
light
could choose,
green,
I would run in some buttery mashed potatoes. Mashed, 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 mashed potatoes. I would run in some buttery mashed potatoes. Mashed, 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 mashed potatoes. I would run in some buttery mashed potatoes. I don't like to sleep, no, I don't like to sleep, but I
violet,
guess I sleep if I must. But if I could choose, yes, if I could choose, I would sleep on a bed of frosted donuts. Nuts, nuts, nuts. I would sleep on a bed of frosted donuts. Nuts, nuts, nuts. I would sleep on a bed of frosted donuts. I would swim in a bowl of chocolate ice cream.
yellow, purple, orange, red, Purple. Light green. Yellow. Light blue.
When I fall and scrape my knee, I cry for my mommy. She gives my knee a little kiss.
Light
Makes
green.
a butterfly like this. Can you make a butterfly with your hands? She says, fly away, boo boo. Bye
Purple.
bye, boo boo. Bye bye, boo boo.
Yellow.
Bye bye, boo boo. Bye bye. Bye bye, boo boo.
Violet.
Bye. Then I was running really fast. I slipped and I fell on the
Pink.
grass. My daddy, he gave me a kiss and made a butterfly
Green.
like this. Make those butterflies with your hands. He said, fly away, boo boo. Bye bye.